So I caught up on the gate going and did this. So we had fixed. So this is all repaired all the way around there. All good, all good, all good, all good. All the way over to here. Now I need to remove some more screws, but then I noticed there's a bad area in here. So I'm gonna have to take that apart. But I thought, I'm quite sure this corner's good, all this is good, except for right here. So I decided to dive into it and rip it out. Of course it was bigger than I thought, but that comes with the territory. And after pounding and pounding, I don't know, at least for an hour, I've cleaned it up and I'm down to good wood all the way around. Now exactly how I fill it in, it's like a puzzle, only there's no shapes made. You have to make all the shapes. You can use a hammer, you can use a chisel, and you can use an axe, which seems to work good, just don't hit yourself. So, and a rasp, but I usually grab the axe. Okay, so time to put this thing back together. I got three pieces here that I probably can reuse. And I think I need some nails, some short nails, 2-inch and 3-inch, or 2 and 2.5 inch finished nails, or siding nails, because they hold really good. Okay, let's get putting it back together. We're losing daylight.